You guys don't know what's been happening in my life. You guys don't really know anything at all. I don't remember if I told you guys this, but I moved. I had to move due to mold. Well, mold was the initial starting of the whole chaos in my life. Like, my whole life was uprooted from the roots, thrown away, and I'm basically starting over my entire life. So you guys are basically gonna come with me as I rebuild my life from scratch. Every aspect of my life. I am talking about physical, finances, everything. Everything. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but before, in the past, I was a person to like spend my money on household things like furniture, just stuff like that. I basically lost half of the stuff I bought and half of the stuff that was worth something due to mold and just stuff that just couldn't be rectified. Food, so much. There has been so much loss, but I trust that what is coming will be way greater than what I have lost. So there is no bitterness, no hard feelings, no anger towards my situation and what happened to me. I'm not gonna get too deep into everything because who really gives a fuck? Nobody. Basically, all I'm trying to say is join me on my journey to rebuild my brain, my life, my habits, every single aspect of my life, as I'm basically starting over everything from scratch on my own. I have my parents, of course. Big up them. Big up them. But yeah. I don't know. I don't have any clothes right now, but tomorrow I'll show you guys where I live now, like what is my room, how my room set up. There is only one bathroom. Do I need to tell you guys all of this? I don't, but I want to. Yeah, there's only one bathroom. I've never in my life had to share a bathroom. It's with my son, but it's like whatever. I'm building.
Yes. See performance, yeah? Yes. Jeez. Yeah. Jeez. Ooh. Friend. And if I ever thought in love again, I will be sure that. Jeez. Yo, remember say Chippy, I love a boy, no. If I. Yo. Remember, yo.
Kitchen fully active.
Kitchen fully active.
Yeah, man. Who that? Mrs. Palmer?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Doing the man banana.
Oh.
Wow, see them and cook for the whole of them.
Man, what's going on, man?
Alright, you know,
Activity.
it's almost lunchtime.
I tell you, in Florida.
In Florida.
See that? What this son does me nose?
Yo.
See damn. I'm out. Got that? Working. Ah, this
Yeah, first day at the king. Jump back in our range, can remember when I cap. Oh, the sun that me knows. Wow. The stage and fear. People, this is the dose at the king. Woo. Sweating. But never stressing. Never stressing. Alright? That is the greatest, don't forget it. And the night is around us, in blessings surround us. May not care who like me, make us a rush or love.
Who want to tell you something again? I listen me good. You want to write this song? Understand? When girl want body, if you are work, stop work. If you are study, stop study. Yo, you hear me, man? Whoa! Me not done tell you now. You want me to tell you say now? Y'all fi beg, skin them up on the sing the John deep and make it real and beg y'all fi beg. Instructions time. And this is what you gonna do now. Make you pop out every sound I hear from out of your head. Crab up your back and go on like a hey, hey. You don't know what I do with me now. Cause me work till a man, you don't know about to come home. Bouncy low, stop it. Yo, listen to me now, man. Listen to me and listen to me good. I love what I do. Can you tell? Yeah. I'm a love different. So, if you don't fall in love, me can't get no work. So, you want me to tell you to say? You want me to tell you to say, no, man, I never ever give advice that I do not use. You see, when you find somebody and somebody look like them a fear, no left in careless. That's our first instructions.
If the boy not spend time, you then him for dead. Hey, girl, cheap man, no forget no red. Him can't have $1 million and you have to your beg. No mind if from a pussy good, that is a pledge. If him not spend time, you then him to leave. Do that I go hard for you, the man to all your squeeze.
And don't put your hand back for me. That me I tell you. Right. Come touch me about behind you, madam. You not deal with behind. One way I go jump from. Hurt your mama. You dead thinking mama. Hurt your mother. You want to think about me take come a blood clot out like you, pussy. I touch me in a bumble hole. Come and assault you know, you're not right to touch me now. You go on where you go buy your Kingston for book, because you crave a feed. The blood clot you tell me about me there behind you. Me deal with behind, but suck your mother.
People, who is people? Reach a bomber car, Miami. That's it. You know why you're here, brother? Now you cannot agree. The moment that thing you tell me on the phone, I say, what's up, mama? See, for them, they don't take them, go clock bun them. I tell them to bury myself with them and name them all them bomber clock them. You know why you're in the place, brother? Now you cannot agree. And we cannot maintain you. We're not happy.
Okay, you don't have to have it.
You want to whip her then for fix them, take it, drag her boat on the road and mash up the clock.
I didn't mash your whipper up.
What do you mean you mash up my whipper?
I didn't drop your
What do you
whipper.
mean you drop my whipper out there, man, and mash up my whipper, you know, see it. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that.
I put the whipper and salt on the ground. Me not tub it.
You dash when me sit them and go and mash them up, man. You're a bad mind people, you're not good. And you can't buy me one. And you cloth a boat so you have money and you can't buy shit. I'm there, cloth up and I'm away and I mash up the thing. You see how evil. I tell you about my mama and let's go on the most place. You have all the way up and record on my phone, you know. They tell you that place can go. You tell me see how Brownstone can go. You can't go.
I'm going. It's a weekend, so where can I go on the weekend?
You can't. Me no want you here, brother.
Well, I can't.
You tell her like for me. You have your pitney them where I'm from a US pitney. Call him make him help you. Me not have it. Me and my daughter will take care of. That me I try to tell her. You know you're there about before.
Like I said, I, Estevan Perkins, Queen of the Russian Empire.
You know, own that, brother.
Oh.
You know, own that.